Today I am going to show you how to download and install complete virtualization VirtualBox, VirtualBox software, VirtualBox setup with VirtualBox software as well as VirtualBox extension pack. So you can see this is the VirtualBox official website. When you search VirtualBox and go to this website, first link, you will see this website. You have to first click on, if you are using Windows, click on Windows host, and then you have to click on accept and download this side, right hand side, and you will download two softwares. Okay, so you will be able to download two softwares. Which two softwares? Let me show you those two softwares. Go to the download folder and you can see VirtualBox. This is the VirtualBox software and this is VirtualBox extension pack. You need both software. Okay, you need both of this software. Now you need this VirtualBox as well as VirtualBox extension pack. I am going to install VirtualBox first. So just double click on VirtualBox. Always install VirtualBox first. Okay, extension packs will be later. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Yes, yes. Click on next, install. So you can see the latest VirtualBox 7.1 is going to be installed in my Windows machine. Click on finish, and this is my VirtualBox is ready. Okay, now you need to install that extension software. You can see that VirtualBox extension software. So in this virtual machine, you can see these options like preference, update. Here you can see up general, and in general you can see so many things. Then you can go to display, and in display you can go and watch so many things. Okay, you can check for updates, or you just make it a stable release version. Okay, and that's all. These are the settings you need to know in the first box. Okay. Okay, general, good. Input, everything good. Now update, everything good. You can see this is the default guest, and if you want, so you have to keep it automatic. Okay, auto detect host proxy setting, you have to keep it. Display, that's good. Proxy, no need to configure proxy. Interface, no need to configure anything in the interface version. Okay, so right now everything is fine. Everything is fine from here. Just close this one. Now you can go to the file. When you go to the file, you can see the tools option. When you go to the tools, you can see extension pack manager. Go here and then you click on install. Then it will ask you the software. Where is the extension pack? Go to the download folder where you have downloaded the file. Select this file, extension pack. Click on open. Click on install. Scroll down. I agree. And done. Okay, so when you see this option, uninstall option, it means VirtualBox extension pack has been successfully installed inside your system, and this will bring some more features inside your VirtualBox. Now this is the complete setup of your virtualization software. Now your virtualization software, VirtualBox software, is perfect and ready for use. So you can open it anytime you want to use it, and your VirtualBox is ready. Okay, if you want to add new machine, you can add new machine. You can install Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Red Hat Linux, any operating system inside this virtual machine. Now hope you understand how to install VirtualBox and VirtualBox extension pack. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will explain you in the next video. Thank you for watching.